Blessings, blessings, everybody. I appreciate you being here today. And today's Garifuna word of the day, or phrase or sentence in this matter, comes to you courtesy of my late grandmother, rest in power, and my late uncle, Bajas Garifuna Trucks and Drummer, to ever live. So apparently, my uncle used to smoke a lot of weed, and he would come home, with the munchies, right? And I'm just assuming, I guess he used to eat up all the food. So I guess one day my grandmother decided to either hide the food or lock it up. I used to lock the pot, store it away. Yeah, she decided to lock the food away and not have any for him when he comes home, hungry after smoking weed. And I guess she knows my kind heart. She gave me specific instructions. She said, Michigubandina Eigini Lun, which means don't give him any food. But once again, like I said, knowing my kind heart, I think maybe it happened once where my uncle didn't have any food. And once I saw that, I knew what time he was going to come home. So I started saving him some of my own food. So the Garifuna sentence of the day is Michigubandina Eigini Lun, which means don't give him any food. And since I understood what my grandmother meant, but since I didn't always reply to her in Garifuna, my response should have been Michunubei Neigi Lun, which means I will not give him any of my food. So those are the two phrases or sentences in Garifuna of the day. I'll try to think of more stories, but I hope you guys enjoyed this one as much as I did. Rest in power to them both. I love them so much. As always, thank you for tuning in. Next time, Sareme. Ayo.